Hi, how you all doing? Welcome to Your Finger, My Ring. If you haven't come across me before, I make rings out of coins. And today I'm going to be doing this 40% silver 1 krona Swedish coin into a ring. So first, let's punch the good old hole through it. I'll use a 3/8 punch because I want to keep as much silver and a wide band as well. It's quite a small coin, this one. So let's give it a go, shall we? How's everybody doing? Rain for the last 2 days here. Still got the fan on there. Still boiling hot in here. Okay. And this is Big Bertha. It's a 20-ton hydraulic press. And this eats coins for breakfast. It's good for the car as well, though, 20-ton press. Okay, what we got? Stupid boy. I've got 7 of these coins left, so if you'd like one, you can contact me at Your Finger, My Ring at proton.me, or you can leave a comment after the video. So, what are we going to go for? I don't go much on that guy. Looks a bit strange to me. And this one, there's not a lot of text around here, but you got the date and a bit of a crown, so let's go for that one. So, first of all, we want to clean up the inside edge. Make sure there's no hairline cracks or splits or mushrooms growing in there. You just want to clean it out so it's nice and clean. You get any scratches or small splits, that can cause the ring to split when you're actually folding it. So and you can feel it cut, it's like butter. Beautiful. There you go. One clean deburred coin. Right, next, let's give it some fire. The flame changed to orange. That means it's annealed. So I've been to the market for a couple of days, it's raining. I don't go if it's raining. I used to go all the time, but I'm getting too old for that game now. Plus the people ain't got no money anymore. They're not spending. Sometimes you sit there all day and sometimes you hardly sell anything. Right. So this is a 17-degree folding die. Whatever you want on the outside of the ring, you put face down. And that's too small. We could start off with this one, I suppose. So when you guys been to Helsinki or Finland, come to matter, if you have, drop us a line. I've lived there 25 years now, I think. I like it. Right. Let's start with it. Should fit this one now, yeah. Yeah, my shop's up and running, you can check it out. There's getting quite a good variety of stuff there. You can send me your own coins. I mean, if you like to make me, if you'd like me to make you a ring, I'll happily do it for you. I film the whole process, stick it on YouTube for you to watch. Most of my rings are 28 euros if they're just normal everyday coins. I mean, silver, you've got silver in them, or some are 90% silver. They obviously cost a bit more. But I've got quite a few on the market. If you want to pop along and say hi, check them out. Be nice to see you. This is Spike. My friend Spike. He's a ring stretcher. No, come on. No funny business. Right. We want to make sure it's nice and level. Let's give it a bit more fire, shall we? There you go. So for my Swedish friends out there, if you're looking for a 40% silver krona coin ring, you know where to come. Right, a bit more. I think we'll try and get a size 11 out of this if we can. That's my kitchen roll, there it is. I get through a lot of kitchen roll, believe it or not. Yeah, these coins, these Swedish coins, I got them from Portugal. I buy quite a few bits and pieces from this guy in Portugal. Right, what we got? It's a size 10. We give it some more fire. If you've got any coins you want to sell, or you'd like me to make one into a coin ring for you, send me a few of them, 3 or 4 or 5, and I'll make you one of them into a ring for free. Well, it won't be for free because you'll be giving me 3 or 4 coins, but you know, you get the idea. I've just bought some Greek coins and some German coins of the same guy I got the 5 marker coins from, I think, Facebook Marketplace. Quite good sometimes. Looking there for ages, there's nothing, and all of a sudden there's loads. Okay, back to Spike. What we got again now? All my sizes in my web shop are all Euro sizes. This is, I have to get a new one of these. This is rubbish. It's not rubbish, but you can't see, and it's all American. I'll go a bit more. Try and get to a size 12, and then I can reduce it down to an 11. Okay, what have we got now? Oh, it's 12 and a quarter. Yeah, 12 and a quarter, that's good. So, now we want to cut out that lip there inside. That's when you fold over the reeded side of the coin, you get that lip, and you want to cut it out because it makes the ring very uncomfortable. Oh, it's nearly gone. Yeah, it's gone. Sometimes you're there like for 3 or 4 minutes trying to cut it out, but this one's not too bad. Okay. Yeah, you can see that shiny bit there. That's all gone. So now we want to see it's a bit cone shaped. We want to straighten the walls up a bit. So now we go back to the bottom of Spike, and we'll give him a bit of the old 1-2. I think a touch the other way. Not much though. So when I started doing this, I was giving it so much chip. See, look at that. It's gone the other way again. It's hard not to pull because you start to feel it go. By the time you've felt it go, it's usually too late. You've gone too far. You can easily stretch it back again. That's nice. Okay, let's clean it up. So, first of all, I will use some wire wool. This is quad zero steel wool. It doesn't scratch, it just cleans up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. There's a little red button on the right hand side, bottom right hand side of the screen you're watching. Just hit that and you're subscribed. I could add a few more, and I can go live on YouTube and make them for you live, so you get to see all the things that go pear-shaped. Let's give it a bit of polish on the inside as well. If you are new here, I do not highly polish the outside of my rings anymore. I prefer the satin look. You get to see more detail. If you want them highly polished, I'll do it for you, not a problem. Okay, I've got a few coin rings on the market, Helsinki market where I work, and most people don't go for the highly polished ones. They like to see it's a coin on your finger. But you know, horses for courses. Right, what we got? Here you got all the detail. Next one of these I might turn it inside out. Right, let's give it a I love these attachments, they're really good. They're not cheap, but they don't last that long. But I love the effect. I mean, that's for a satin look, beautiful. And what we got size-wise, you always measure from the thick end of the reeded side of the coin. Oh, it's 11.5. So that fits my little finger. It doesn't fit my other finger. So there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Lots of love. Bye bye.